Hi everyone! Today we're learning all about something exciting and a bit serious called AI.
That stands for artificial intelligence.
It can help us with schoolwork, but it also comes with dangers. So let's find out how to use AI safely and sensibly. AI is a kind of computer tool that can answer questions, give you ideas, and even write stories. It sounds a bit like magic, but it's actually a program trained to understand and respond like a person. Let's start with the good stuff. AI can be really helpful. It can give you feedback, explain tricky ideas, and help you plan a project. But just like scissors or the internet, AI must be used carefully and responsibly. Sometimes, if someone asks the wrong kind of question, AI might give a rude or upsetting answer. It's not doing it on purpose, but it doesn't always know what's okay for children. That's why we only use AI with an adult or in school. Did you know AI can write a whole story or answer questions for you? That might sound tempting, but using it to do your homework is cheating. It means you're not learning, and it's unfair to others. Your brain is the best tool of all. Here's a tricky one. AI sometimes gives answers that sound right, but they're actually wrong. It can make up facts or mix things up. That's why it's always best to check what AI says in a book or with your teacher. Some people use AI like it's a friend, but if you're feeling sad, worried, or being bullied, AI is not the right place to go. It's not a real person. If something's bothering you, talk to a trusted adult, like your teacher, parent, or a school counselor. So how do we stay safe? Simple. Only use AI when your teacher says it's okay. Don't ask rude or tricky questions. Be honest and kind in what you write. If something strange pops up, tell an adult straight away. Remember, you are in charge of how you use AI. It's just a tool, like a pencil or calculator. Use it wisely, and it can help you learn. But use it wrongly, and it can cause problems. Let's see what you remember. Can you name 2 dangers of AI? What would you do if AI gave you a strange or upsetting answer? Talk to your classmates or write your answers down. AI can be amazing, but just like crossing a road, we need to follow the rules to stay safe. Be smart, be respectful, and always ask for help if you're not sure. Thanks for learning how to use AI safely.